Hello. I wanted to take a moment and go over your assignment 5. Assignment 4, the Special Education Preventative Law Discussion Board, has been graded and your grades are posted. Be sure to read the comments in the Grade Center regarding your grade, and I appreciate the kind of very scholarly post and the time you took to do those assignments. Hopefully, you're learning more about how to go to the appropriate resource to help you make the best legal decision. So, your assignment 5 is the most complex assignment that you'll have in this course. It's going to take a little more time than your post and discussion boards or writing your statement of ethics. It's a case study, but how I've organized the assignment is that you will put your answers into a template, and I've provided that template to you. So let me go on and go over briefly the instructions. I'm going to take a lot of time. I know you don't have a lot of time to watch videos, but this prompt is acting as a school administrator, the principal. Students will research and identify the legal issues resulting from components of a serious incident legal case study. Each student will make use of court cases and legal policy documents to guide their decision making. My courses in school law are not set up for you to read a book on case studies and just read what happened in that particular case. This assignment gives you an opportunity to apply what is found in those Supreme Court cases so that you really clearly do understand it and you know best practices moving forward. Let me go over this scenario very quickly. It's all outlined in your assignment. Students are in the cafeteria eating lunch. The principal's on the far side of the building. On the opposite side, there's a little ruckus going on. Students are moving about. There's words being exchanged, and something is going on. Well, the principal sort of looks over there and sees something is happening, and it escalates. As the principal is starting to move forward, somebody hollers, the principal's coming, whatever, and it sort of breaks up. Well, just so happens that there was a teacher there that saw the incident involving a female student and a male special education student. He's Native American, and some words get exchanged. The teacher comes and tells the principal what happened. Okay, there was some words being exchanged, a push and shove. The girl pulls out a nail file. The boy pulls out a 3.5-inch knife, which is under the federal code a dangerous weapon. Make sure you read that in the resources that I provide you under course content. You have numerous resources to help you go through this case study and fill in the blanks. Okay, so I'm going to go to that now. The template starts on, I think, the third page of your assignment sheet. And for each of these required areas, there are 4 items that I want you to answer. I'm going to go through each one very quickly. First one is student rights. This is not the first time you've seen something on student rights. A, cite the activity in the case that is connected to student rights. What were the students doing, or what was the particular student doing? Then I want you to cite the Supreme Court case connected with this activity. Then go to your school board policy and see what your school board policy says about this particular issue. And then I want you to tell me what are the principal's actions, okay, for the student right issue, not the whole case. I don't want you to resolve the whole case and tell me this, that. Just what should the principal do regarding the student right issue, okay? Then your second component is due process. What's the activity that requires the principal to give these kids due process? Again, Supreme Court case, school board policy, and then what are the principal's actions just for the due process? What does the principal do to provide due process? Third component is search and seizure. Okay, he now sees he's got to search. Well, cite the activity. Why does he have to search? Supreme Court case again, school board policy, then the principal's actions just for the search. Okay. Fourth component is sexual harassment. Cite the activity in the case regarding sexual harassment. Supreme Court case, school board policy, and then the principal's actions just regarding the sexual harassment issue, not the whole case. And then the last issue has to do with discipline of the special education student. Cite the activity in the case that impacts special education. Now, B is not to cite a Supreme Court case. Okay. B is to cite the special circumstances that this special education student finds himself in. Okay. Then school board policy. And then D, what are the principal's actions regarding the discipline of the special education student? Go back to that federal code about dangerous weapons, okay? Because that's critical for what the principal will need to do in this case, okay? Now, that's your assignment. A lot of moving pieces, but once you get into it, you'll be more familiar with what you need to do. Not looking for long answers. Hit it. I say hit the nail on the head, and we'll go from there. Okay. Your assignment is due Sunday, not Saturday. I know starting of school and still getting everything straight. So I have my assignments due on Saturday to give you a free day on Sunday to relax. But if you need that Sunday, go ahead and take it. And I wish you the best. Send me any questions that you have. It's great working with you. You really have stepped up to the plate in responding to these prompts and things regarding legality in the schools and what principals need to know. Okay, so have a great day, and I look forward to grading your papers. I really do.